Let's take a look inside this $200 per night Airbnb located in East Legon Hills, Accra, Ghana. Welcome to London Eye Luxury Home and Apartment. This is the night view at this vacation rental, and this is the swimming pool during the day. Let's head inside and take a tour of the living area. They actually have two living areas, but this is the first one downstairs. It has a flat screen TV, and then we're heading upstairs to look at the second living area. Then this is the dining area, a fully equipped kitchen for your cooking. Then the bedrooms, this is the master bedroom actually, but the first bedroom as well. It has an ensuite bathroom. Then the second bedroom, which also has an ensuite bathroom, but it doesn't have a closet space. The third bedroom also has an ensuite bathroom, a bed, as well as a television, but no closet space yet. And then the final bedroom. This place is perfect for groups, families, and even solo travelers. They have free Wi-Fi, Netflix, DStv, and CCTV camera for safety and security. There's also a pool to relax, unwind, and have your parties. For further inquiries and bookings,